Welcome to the GE Appliances Water Filtration Lab, where GE water filters are tested to ensure the highest quality of filtration. We start with ordinary tap water, and this is methylene blue. It simulates impurities which may be found in tap water. We design and test genuine GE filters to reduce these impurities. Just because other filters are compatible with your refrigerator doesn't mean they perform as well as GE filters. Genuine GE filters make sure your water is cleaner, so you know your family is safer.